Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about law of demand. Law of demand. Now, law of demand states that with everything else equal, if price of a good or service increases, then quantity demand of that good or service decreases. And if price of a good or service decreases, then quantity demand of that good or service increases. So here there are several important notions. The first one is with everything else equal. Second one is quantity demand, and there is also price. According to law of demand, if price changes, then there is a change in quantity demand, obviously with everything else equal. Now we can ask, what are everything else, and what will happen if everything else are not equal? Again, we can also ask, what is quantity demand? Why is it not demand? We will answer them in a later video. Now, according to law of demand, if price changes, then there is a change in quantity demand. So we can consider price the independent variable and quantity demand the dependent variable. So price P, independent variable, and quantity demand dependent variable. Here there is a specific relationship between price and quantity demand. Now what is the relationship? If there is an increase in price, quantity demand decreases with everything else equal, and if there is a decrease in price, then quantity demand increases. This kind of relationship is known as inversely proportional relationship. Therefore, we can write quantity demand is inversely proportional to price. Mathematically, we can define the relationship between price and quantity demand as quantity demand is a function of price, and the relationship between these two variables can be expressed as UD is inversely proportional to price. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.